Okay, right, here is the 23 Equations app. So click on it. You have the choice of your exam, which is obviously AQA physics. You could possibly change it, I think, to AQA and combined science. So that's for everyone who's not in top set doing triple. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it on physics for now, and I'm doing higher tier, so that's all sorted. What we're then going to do is choose the topic. Now, if you want to revise a particular paper, paper 1, what we've just done, or paper 2, you can even select individual topics within. Okay, we'll come off that. And what is really key is down the bottom. Let's just say I'm within the energy topic here. And even if I'm not, you've got all of the equations there. Now you can have a quick look at the equation. It tells you how to rearrange each by clicking on each, which is fantastic. And it gives you the written definition too, gives you some quiz questions if you swipe up to the Q. And it gives you units, and really crucially, it's got the definitions as well. I've swiped up again. At the bottom, it says, remember to and use, you need to learn this by heart. Some of them, I don't know if we've got any in this in this topic, but some you have them on the actual exam on the equation sheet, and it will just mention it down there. But let's just pop back to the start. Sorting, we're not going to sort it. What we are going to do is we're going to do quick questions on electricity now and start the game. And I'm just going to randomly go through these now, trying to pick up some points. And what I want you guys to do is, I'm going to have to go a second time now. Obviously do this properly, because what I'm after is by the end, I want to see your top scores there. So I'd like to see you do all 5 for homeworks, and I'll be then sort of like collecting scores in, hopefully, depending on how much time we've got. And you can have a look at your stats, and you can have a look at which one you've done well on and which ones you need to do to improve, and try and obviously go through a couple, goes to them at least a few times each week.